Welcome to Cannes, located in the Côte d'Azur, also known as the French Riviera. It's actually one of my favorite places in Europe, especially because you get that mix of the Mediterranean Sea and not too far away, the Alps. One interesting detail is that Cannes used to be a quiet fishing village before it became one of the most famous luxury destinations in the world. Cannes is probably most known for the film festival, luxury yachts and everything around the Croisette. But when you're actually here, it feels more normal than people expect. The city is quite small, and outside of the Cannes Film Festival in May, it's actually pretty calm. During those couple of weeks, everything gets very busy and expensive, and then it slowly goes back to normal again. Most of life happens along the Croisette, that long strip by the sea with hotels, beaches, cafes and shops all in one line. This is also when you see some of the biggest celebrities in the world here. Names like Leonardo DiCaprio, Brad Pitt, Angelina Jolie and Robert De Niro have all appeared at Cannes over the years. The festival itself started back in 1946. And today, it's still one of the most important film events in the world. What I personally like is the mix here. I really like the beaches, just spending time by the water. But I also like going up into the hills above the city. Places like Superyachts or La Californie feel completely different. Quieter, more private, and with amazing views over the sea. That's probably my favorite side of Cannes. And even if it can feel a bit posh and very polished in some parts, I still like that about it. It's clean, it's easy, everything is close, and it just works. If you go into Le Suquet, the old town, it feels more local again. Narrow streets, small restaurants, and a really nice view over the harbor. This area actually dates back to medieval times, and you can still feel a bit of that old village atmosphere. In summer, especially around July and August, there are also fireworks shows over the bay as part of the Festival d'Art Pyrotechnique. I really like those evenings, just standing by the water and watching everything light up. If I manage to find a good spot before everyone else does. This festival is actually an international competition, with different countries competing through their fireworks shows. And of course, during summer and especially during the festival, the harbour gets full of super yachts. Some are there for private stays, some for events, and it all feels a bit unreal, but in a nice way. Honestly, I still get that feeling when I walk past all of that. Cannes also works really well as a base. You can easily go to Nice, Antibes, Monaco, or even smaller villages inland. Everything is quite close along the coast. The train line along the Riviera actually makes it very easy to travel without a car, which is something a lot of people don't expect. So for me, Cannes is not just about one thing. It's a mix of beaches, hills, and that slightly polished Riviera feeling. And I think that's exactly why I like it. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed the video, you can support the channel by commenting below. Write your next destination below. I'd love to know where we should go next. À plus et bon voyage!